for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Tammy. In today's video I do have some home decor pieces that I want to share with you that I recently picked up from At Home and HomeGoods. So in my last few videos guys, I brought you along with me to HomeGoods and also At Home, but I did not share with you the items that I picked up during that time. So in today's video guys, I will be sharing with you the items that I picked up recently from those store visits. So let's get into the video guys. So I'm going to share with you the At Home items first, and then I'll move on to the HomeGoods pieces as well. So let's get into my At Home items. I bought this rug, loved the rug while it's there on their display, loved it. Thought it would fit my aesthetic, brought it home, it didn't fit my sofa, it didn't go well with my sofa, so I'm planning to bring it back. But it was so affordable and I love it, and it feels so good guys. So if you're in the hunt for a good era rug, go check out At Home. They have a lot of choices to choose from over there at Home. So I'm bringing this one back and then see if they have a lighter color to match my sofa and see if I'll be able to find something. But the amount of rugs they have, I might be able to find another one. But this one is so good guys. The only reason why I'm returning it, because I don't think it's gonna work well with what I have, so I'm bringing it back. So I have two vases that I also picked up, and this is the first one. This is so beautiful guys. So I picked this one up. This was $15 guys, and I love the shape of this one. It has a smaller opening, which I love, and I like that. And I think I'm gonna put this in my bedroom. So I got this one, really nice size guys. Look how big this is for $15. Yeah, again, you can find some good pieces at Home. The second one that I picked up is this glass one. Nothing crazy, nothing similar. You could pick up a glass vase anywhere, but this one, I picked this one up because I saw an inspiration on Pinterest where they fill it up with water, half it with water, and then they put like a green stem in there, and it looks so good, so realistic. So that's what I'm planning to do with this one and put it on my side table. I'm gonna test it out and see if I like it for me, but it's really nice guys. And this one was also $15. Love this style. So yeah, so those are all the two vases that I picked up from At Home. I picked up this bowl, but it's also made from real marble. I have one already. I bought one already a long time ago. I have it at my other house, but when I got here I saw that they have this one here, so I picked this one up. This was $30. They have a smaller one to this, which is $19, but this one is perfect. I'm gonna put it on my center table when I do find one, the right one that I love. I'm planning to put this on my center table on a stack of books. And yeah, so this is it. Now you can definitely find this on Amazon guys, or the other pieces that I shared with you on Amazon. What I'll definitely do, if you don't have an At Home in your area and you like these pieces, I'll try my best to find similar pieces on Amazon and place them in the link in my description box down below. Okay, I have one more piece from At Home. So this piece is a floral piece, is a floral item. They were $5 each. You know, it's springtime, so it comes the right time. I think I'm gonna put these in my bedroom as well. So I didn't want it to be too much, so this is perfect amount of stems for me. Love the style. Look how natural it is guys. Beautiful piece, love it. The stems are not that long, so yeah, love this. And again, each of them were $5 or $4.99. But yeah, this is how they looks. here. Beautiful, love them. So that is all I got from At Home, guys. Moving on to HomeGoods. So the first piece what I want to share with you, just to continue with the floral pieces, I also picked up another stem from HomeGoods, guys. This one is way more fuller and nicer, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Nice. I love this, guys. It looks so real, and this was $20, but look, you get 2 actual stems for $20, guys, because there are 2 pieces. The stems are really long, but I'm planning to cut them. This is the same way I bought this one. This was super long and I had to cut them, so I'm definitely going to cut these down a little bit depending on how I decide to style it. You could definitely cut it. So I love this. This really screams spring. They have a lot of floral items in HomeGoods, guys, and they look so beautiful. But I wasn't trying to indulge in a lot of spending, and I think this would go well year-round, not just for spring, so I picked this one up and I love it, guys. Beautiful. Again, this was $20 for the 2 stems. That is all the stems, floral stems, that I got for this all. Now moving on to the vases that I picked up from HomeGoods. The first one that I'm going to show you guys, I'm so mad at myself, and I'm going to show you why. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I broke it. I have the other piece to put right here. But guys, so the day that I brought this vase, guys, I had a lot more bags. So I took the stuff out of the car, totally forget that I had this in one of the bags, and I just came in and threw the bags on the floor, and as soon as I throw the bag on the floor, I heard a smash, and I was like, oh my god, it broke, and I was so mad. So I am going to try to glue it together because I cannot return it. Glue it together and spray paint it black, a matte black color. That's the only thing I think I'll be able to do to save it. But yeah, guys, I love this. This was $35, guys, but I loved it. This is a, you know, this is a dupe to the is it a CB2? I'll put it, the link in. I'll show you the dupe to this one, but it's so similar to this, guys. So I will definitely be utilizing this, but I'll try my best to fix it first. I'm so mad, guys, but yeah. So I have the other piece. I just need to find where I put it. But yeah, guys, this is it. I love it. So that's the first vase. Something similar to this one that I just showed you is this one. So when I went to the store, the first video that I shared with you guys, I saw this. And I was like, in my head, I was like, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it. I was like, you know what, I'll come back. If I want it, I'll come back. If it's there, I'm gonna buy it. So the next visit I went to, I think I went to another store, didn't see it, then I went back to my old store, my regular store. So it was the last one. I was like, no, you know what? You're coming home with me. So I bought this one. This one was $30. So I love the style of it. Beautiful piece. It is a heavy piece as well, so it's good quality. Love it. So what I'm planning to do is maybe put it on my console table or my centerpiece. I don't know yet because I haven't got any of those yet, to be honest with you. I ordered my console table. I ordered one before, return it. I ordered another one. Hopefully when that one comes, I like it. Home decor is something else. So I got this, love it. Then I found this vase. This is a larger size vase that I picked up also. And I got this on clearance, guys. I got this on clearance. This was $30 and it was $24 for this one. Love this, guys. Look how beautiful this is. But what I think I'm going to do, I'm gonna try to do a DIY on this one, but I think I'm going to do like a earthy look. earthy tone look to this one. That's what I think I'm going to do. So we'll see how it works. But again, this big old vase was only $24 and I'm so happy. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but it was on clearance and I know I'm going to need a vase this size at some point. So I was like, you know what, let me just grab it because it was the last one on the shelf as well. So I got those. So those are all the vases that I picked up. So I picked up 3 vases. One is broken and the other 2 is good to go. And then I also picked up a book. I picked up the Chanel book. Everybody has. I think everybody knows this Chanel book. I picked this one up, but this one was $30. This book, this size, look how big this one is. This was $30 for this size, guys. So I picked it up. I was like, you know what, I will find somewhere to put it. I think I could put it on my centerpiece when I get it. I think it will look great. So yeah, I got this from HomeGoods as well. Love it. They have a lot of books, guys, and I think I'm going to go back and buy a few more books. But what the thing is, I don't want to start buying those stuff yet, and my place, I don't have nowhere to put it. So I'm waiting until I get my living area to a place where, okay, I can start doing some full decorating. Then I'll start buying those books, because books is always at HomeGoods, so I'm not stressed about that. And then I bought this beautiful mirror, guys, standing mirror. It is a 36 by 72. I picked it up again when I did that video, that walkthrough video with you guys, and I saw it. I didn't even, to be honest, guys, I didn't even see it in person. I was actually doing the video, and then when I was editing the video, guys, I realized that it was there. I went straight back. I went straight back to the store and I got the mirror. It was so beautiful, guys. I paid like I think it was $190 or $195 for it, guys. But I don't care. I like it. Again, it is a 36 by 72. Love it. It's in my bedroom right now. I think it's going to stay there, or maybe I bring it back down into the living room. I'm not sure yet, but that's where it's going to stay for now, in the bedroom. And I love the size, guys. It's perfect for me. The last piece that I got from HomeGoods, my side table. Love, love, love this side table, guys. So I went in to this, I did my second walkthrough video with you guys for HomeGoods. I went in, walked around, because I normally like to pick stuff up first for myself and then I'll kind of go around and kind of show you guys what I saw. But then I saw this on a separate shelf, guys. It was on a whole different section from the other side tables. So I went in and I saw it and I was like, no, I have to get this, because the idea that I have in my head on my vision board for my living room, it's the perfect side table for me. So I was like, oh my god, I need to get it. So I run it to the cashier, have them hold it for me until I was ready to check out. It was $99. Love it. I think it's worth more than the $99, guys. I'm so happy that I was able to get this one. I wish they had the 2, but they only had 1, but it's fine. I also picked up these 2 beautiful countertop chairs from Amazon. This is my 3rd countertop chairs, guys. I bought one, which I did a short on my Amazon. I did a short for it here on YouTube, but I had to return those because they just didn't look well after a period of time. And then I went to HomeGoods and I bought some chairs there at HomeGoods as well. Brought it home, didn't fit my style, brought it back. Bought these on Amazon. I love them so far. I think I am going to do like a DIY on it, because I don't like the black part. So I might maybe spray paint it to the gold to match the other part gold. I don't know yet. I might just leave it as is just to give it a little touch of black, but I don't know. We will see. But I love this chair as well. Alright guys, that is it for me. I showed you all the items that I picked up from HomeGoods and at home. Now if you like items like this, I'll try my best to find similar items and place a link down in my description box for you guys. But yeah, that is it for me guys. I really do love my pieces guys. Thank you again so much guys for taking the time of watching my video to the end. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. Have yourself a great day, guys. Bye.